Yes, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in southeast London, and just a little sneaky peek of a project that you will unlikely see for about a year or so from now. But we've finished the garden room and we've just handed over to Garden Club London, who are doing the garden design and carrying out a full garden renovation here. Really exciting project to work on. I've got a lot going on down here, but I'm going to show you just a couple of little bits of the building, which is really exciting to show. So iroko cladding, black aluminium doors and windows on there. Really good work going on here, really good practice with the drainage. It's going to work. This is called a little slip drain there, which is going to work well. And look inside this amazing building. We have got a kitchen going on there, along with this first ever stone wall that we've done in this particular design. A nice large TV, toilet, and then a big wine fridge, big entertainment area, 2 roof lights on this one. So just a really stunning project. So like I say, I can't even open the doors fully because the guys have got all their markings set out and I don't want to get in their way. But this project, I say, you'll probably see, I don't know, probably the middle of next year, something like that, fully completed. But in the meantime, here's a sneaky peek at the Baker's Garden Buildings Garden Room and Garden Club London working on that really, really well right now. Thank you.